Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a 100% free lead magnet, free lead generation tool that works brilliantly on any social media platform. And it's great for targeted leads. It's great for getting 10 or more leads every single day. And it works like clockwork. And the name of this program is Cardly.me. Towards the end of this video, I'll share with you how you can get it, how you can set this system up literally in about 2 minutes. And what I love about it is that as you're giving away this free system, it secretly promotes your business opportunities, your contact information on the back end. So this is a free digital business card, and I just want to share with you some of the highlights in here and show you just how powerful it can be. So first things first, you can use this to put your link. Everyone gets one link to promote all their offers. You can put this on your profile. You can post it. You can share it in social media groups. And the way that I have mine set up, obviously, there's a image. I highly recommend you put in a photo of yourself. You've got your name here. What you consider yourself to be an expert at, in my case, business strategy consultant expert. And then I've got this click start here. Now what happens when people come and they click this start here button, they're going to see a quick 3-minute, 3.5-minute video overview of myself, right? That's helping build rapport, that's starting that whole relationship process. And I direct people to get their very own free site just like this. All they got to do is come down here, click on this link at the very bottom. They're going to be able to get access to that. But in this start here video, I'm also letting people know, hey, if you're interested in making money online or getting better results in your home business opportunity, be sure to click my Instant Cash Systems link. So when they click on this link, guess what? It's going to share with them my offers. Now, I want you to see something really quickly. When they click on my Instant Cash Systems button, they're going to see in that first box a link that when they click on it, it basically says watch Instant Cash System video. And then the second link over here, it says free demo, earn unlimited $100. Those are my instant pay programs. And a couple of other things you should know. I've also got multiple buttons down here below. Make money with this free app. $15 one-time USA leads. AI tools for social media. And then my contact information. So I'm letting people know, hey, let's connect. Reach out to me on social media. They could send me an email. They can call or text me. And check out how I've got the social media button set up. I'm able to add multiple links on one button. So, for example, let's connect social media. They could reach out to me on Facebook. They could reach out to me on Instagram, on Threads, my blog, my YouTube channel. So the capabilities here are really limitless. And here's another really cool feature that you can use. Let's say you are, out in public. Maybe you're at a restaurant. Maybe you're at your local bar. You're at your kid's baseball game. This is a free V card that you could share with people. So you're engaged in a conversation. Everything's going well. People ask, what is it that you do? You tell them, hey, I help people make money online. And they're like, oh, man, I'm really interested in that. And they pull out from their wallet a business card from 1999. Nothing wrong with that, but the next thing that I would do is I would say, hey, do you have your cell phone on you? Yeah, they grab their cell phone and then like, hey, here's my contact information. So you could have this downloaded on your phone and people can just come down here, click on save now, and automatically they'll get access to your information. And they can also come over here and scan right here in order to instantly download your V card. And guess what? That's much, much better. And it just makes you stand out as a professional as opposed to walking around with business cards. So that's another highly impressive feature. Now, how I would share this on social media is really simple. Now, there's two ways that I generally do this. Let's say you have people, and we all have had this happen probably multiple times a day, but let's say you have people that are in your DMs spamming you or asking you the the 100-year-old question, do you keep your options open? All I would do is I would send them a reply message. And in the message, I'd say something like, hey, do me a favor and I'll take a look, but I rarely talk business on social media. Here's my contact info. Please send it over to me here. And then I just share with them my Cardly link. And another way that I would use this, let's say you are chatting with someone, maybe on Facebook, uh, you know, I would ask a question, something like, would you be open to looking at a 100% free lead generation new tool that promotes your offers at zero cost? Takes 2 minutes to set up and is great for pulling in 10 or more leads every day. If not interested, no worries, just thought I'd ask. You'd be surprised at how responsive people are at, yeah, sure, I'll take a look. And that's a heck of a lot better than trying to promote your business to people. 80%, 90% of the people we're connected to on social media, they all have a home business. And guess what? 95% of them are not looking for a new deal. They're looking to get free traffic, free leads, and to make sales for their current program. So when you're pitching your business opportunity, no matter how great it is, people all of a sudden put up defenses because in their brain, they're thinking, oh man, this is something else that I got to pay for. And they haven't made any money maybe in the last 5 things that they've joined. So how do you get access to this information? And by the way, drop a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know you appreciate this. You can either go to the description directly below this video to see how to get access to this, or even better, you can go directly to my YouTube channel and look for the link cardly.me. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, it's Troy. I hope you got some value from it. And just sign up, get your free system, start promoting your offers, put everything on one link. And with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.